Neha Shukla.
Where are you from?
I'm from Bombay.
Which university are you going to?
Bukovinian State Medical College.
Why did you think of this university?
Because since I'm a vegetarian, so I was getting a proper vegetarian mess there, so it was more feasible, and the university has quite good reputation, so I just
And have you thought about PG as well?
yeah, I have decided. Yeah.
Why do you think PG is important?
You have to do something specialization, otherwise MBBS is important, but once you do PG, so the demand is much more.
And what made you think that PG is also important? How did you think of this roadmap? Did Moksh help you?
Moksh did help me. They told me they gave me few choices, even that what exactly I should do after my MBBS. They helped me, and I think they did shaped kind of my opinion about that.
So are you satisfied with the overall experience you had with Moksh?
Yes, mostly I am. Because it is quite hard if you're going outside and if you don't have help around. So they actually helped me a lot with the whole thing, with all the exchange and everything. So yeah, I liked it.
Okay, fantastic. And what do you think an MBBS aspirant in India, what are the challenges that he or she faces?
Cutoffs are crazy, because even after scoring 500, my friend scored 515 and she is not yet getting MBBS in India. So it is quite sad. So I I scored 360-ish. So I'm doing my MBBS and she is not able to, which is really sad. So I think.
So the cutoffs are obnoxious, and also what about the cost? Is it cheaper in abroad, or there's a general perception in the minds of people because it's abroad, so it has to be expensive than India?
Depends on the country where you're going exactly. If you're going to USA, of course, it's going to be higher, even the private one. But if you're going to Ukraine or Russia, they are quite cheap compared to private colleges in India, I think.
And what do you think that the problems that even doctors here face, the life there is better, or here, how is it better?
The standard of living is better, of course, outside, but it you just I think the standard of living is better, and here recently we have heard some stuff happening with doctors, they are not safe enough here, so I think it is still a bit.
Okay. And if studying abroad, what are the perks, what are the benefits that you feel?
I think you need a change after living in one place for so long time, so I think it gives you that. And once you go outside, here the population is just too high, so you just get fuzzed up with all these things, but there the population is little less, and you can just there you can explore more.
And you also get a global experience, you meet people from different nationalities, so that way, and the infrastructure and all that.
Yeah, the infrastructure, and you meet new people, that's what you come out of your box. You need a change once in your life, and you get it by studying abroad, so.
Great, fantastic. So we wish you all the very best and have a happy journey.
Thank you so much.